Today I'm going to share with you a fun way to start with Namaste Yoga. Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa West and welcome to Living Your Yoga. Are you new to yoga? Have you always wanted to begin a yoga practice but don't know where to start? This August, we are going to be leading a beginner yoga challenge right here and on Instagram. As luck would have it, Namaste Yoga has 31 yoga classes, one for each day of the month. Each day we will be posting a beginner yoga class from the list of 31 beginner yoga classes below on Instagram. Follow me at Dr. Melissa West on Instagram and follow the hashtag beginning with Namaste Yoga. You can go through the list below and each day post a photo of you doing the episode of Namaste Yoga. I'm really looking forward to seeing all of your creative photos, yoga spaces, and the ways you are practicing a Namaste Yoga class, beginner yoga class on each day of the month in August. And you may join at any time. When you post a picture, add the tag beginning with Namaste Yoga, hashtag beginning with Namaste Yoga, and remember to tag me at Dr. Melissa West so I can see you and comment on your posts. I so look forward to connecting with you and seeing your posts, and feel free to share this with your friends and your family and any coworkers who may have been talking about wanting to start a yoga practice. The more the merrier. So all the classes for the month are listed below, and as I said, we will be posting them every day on Instagram as well. And leave your comments below and let me know if you will be joining us for hashtag beginning with Namaste Yoga in August for our beginner yoga challenge. Namaste.
Melissa would love to hear your questions and thoughts. Please leave your comments below the video. Thank you for your reviews on iTunes and YouTube. Your reviews help us to share yoga and a yoga lifestyle with others around the world. If you have a question for Melissa, you can leave a voice message at melissawest.com, and Melissa may answer it in an upcoming blog.